spill the tea. What can I do for y'all?
Yeah, but sangoma yale namseng.
Esh, we've been hustling trying to better our lives, but nothing seems to be working out.
Don't forget to tell him that you're failing in school and that your marks are as high as your eyebrows.
At least I passed grade 7. You can't even delete apps on your phone.
Already?
Don't even get me started on the scheduled beatings that you receive from your loan sharks. He's even failing to maintain his 14 kids.
Damn.
Hey, shut up! Colin Kaepernick from Shintoe.
Whatever, Dr. Philwa Mesho. Mr. Voodoo Man, can you just throw your bones and show us the way? What does the future hold for us?
My bone's still installing the latest software update, but I'm finna show you a glimpse of your future, now I mean. The bones will tell us how to get there, you dig?
I see big things heading your way. This is history in the making. Victory on a platter, and it's all yours for the taking. I see them chanting your name. You are destined for fortune and fame. You gonna be popping champagne. Ain't nothing you cannot attain. I see your movies are getting rolled out in cinemas, being sold out. There's no doubt that your likeness will attain cloud and a gold crowd. I see them loving your flicks as much as you loving your chips. Finally finding your niche. I see you becoming a hit. You're gonna be living on billboards. They call you sensei. You need to open the Discord. Gather your fan base. You belong at the top. I see you on stage and you never flop. Your humor is hitting the right spots. I see them praising you non-stop. I swear you got what it takes to take it up a notch and make all of us proud. Chatting on top of the best with your music, you deserve a crowd. Sky's the limit, infinite above all the cloud. Now get up and get up to show all these people what you all about.
Are you sure that's me?
I knew that this sangoma is a fraud. These online charlatans are not to be trusted, nephew.
I know online charlatans, stupid. Let's see what a 6 feet gang saying about this.
6 feet what?
Shut it, old man. Noko, it appears you got a calling, homeboy. Your underground gang telling me that you're meant to take mashabas beyond Africa to be a global icon, you feel me?
Noko mashaba, a global icon.
Are you serious, my man?
That's right. You fools be focusing on the wrong thing. I see a YouTube channel here, and I see a lot of fans, you dig?
But now,
Oh yeah, that's my YouTube channel.
These folks digs your content, and they will help you become the man you're destined to be. You'll first start by creating a TV series.
A TV series? How? With what money?
With these.
these what?
Yeah, malome, you will get violated.
These. 10,000 Noko fans tickets. The NFTs, baby. Hand-drawn and prepared by the gang itself. These will bring people from all walks of life to invest in your likeness, and together you will fulfill your calling.